In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a single check from QuickBooks. So, whether you're paying a vendor, reimbursing an employee, or simply organizing your finances, printing checks directly from QuickBooks is a convenient feature. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the check option within QuickBooks. To do this, look towards the top left of your QuickBooks dashboard where you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. From this list of options, select Check. This step essentially sets the stage for creating and customizing the check you wish to print. Now that you've navigated to the check entry screen, it's time to fill in all the necessary details. This includes who you're paying, the amount, the date, and even a memo if needed. Make sure to double-check that all the information is accurate, as this will help prevent any payment discrepancies or the need for reissuing checks later. Paying attention to these details up front will save you a ton of hassle down the road. Once you've meticulously entered all the check information, take a moment to review your entries. When you're confident everything is correct, look towards the bottom right of the screen where you'll see a Save button. Clicking this will record the check in your QuickBooks account, ensuring that your books remain accurate and up to date. After saving, QuickBooks will provide you with an option to print the check directly. Look for the Print Check button, typically located at the bottom of the page, and click it. However, if this is your first time printing a check from QuickBooks, you'll need to go through a quick setup process. This setup may involve configuring your printer settings or aligning your check stock properly, but don't worry. QuickBooks typically offers step-by-step guidance to help you through this process. Once you've completed it, future check printing will be much quicker and smoother. With the initial setup complete, you're now ready to print your check. Simply ensure your check stock is properly loaded into the printer and let QuickBooks do its magic. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully printed a single check directly from QuickBooks with minimal fuss. This process not only keeps your financial activities organized, but also streamlines your workflow, providing you with more time to focus on other important tasks. Remember, the more you practice this, the easier and more intuitive it will become. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in mastering the art of printing checks in QuickBooks.